Follow along to create these easy homemade ornaments using just a few items from your local craft store. These personalized ornaments make for the perfect gift. I used a mini Jenga game, wooden beads, hooks, jute, and vinyl adhesive. Design and cut the words to go on your ornaments from vinyl adhesive using your cutting machine. If you don't have a cutting machine, you can use a Sharpie to write on the ornaments. Apply the words to your ornaments using transfer tape and add the hooks. Cut some jute about 10 inches long. Thread through the hooks and add a knot. Thread 3 wooden beads on top. Tie a knot and you're all done. This would also make for a great craft for a family to complete together. You can gather everyone and share great craft ideas and snacks. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.